Well, we have another powerful woman with us. We have Vinati Saraf Mutreja, who's the MD CEO of Vinati Organics. Thank you so much, Vinati, for speaking to us. We heard you on the stage. It was very inspiring. Thank you so much for being with us on our celebrations, two celebrations, in fact. India Today is completing 50 years today, and the most powerful women also. So, what is power? Powerful word stands for you, and what is your power, which you seem it's the most powerful belief you have in yourself?
Wow. Okay, thank you for having me here and congratulations on 50 years. I think as you grow as a leader, I believe in this saying that true power is in delegation. If you're able to delegate well and step off from a lot of operations and a lot of day to day activities and focus really more on strategy, that is the true sense of a powerful leader if you're able to make people accountable and responsible.
Absolutely. So, what trend are you seeing that it should have been ended way before than it has ended today? Because you can see women now coming on the table, making decisions, being policy makers as well. What is the trend which is being now implemented, but it would have been better if it has been.
Also, you mean to say that had women started joining
Yes,
the
more and more.
management
Yes,
earlier, earlier the
the
better,
better.
the better. Well, it's never too late, and as we can see, and I've been coming to business today for 5 years, and I'm seeing so many new faces, and that's absolutely inspiring. You're seeing new blood, you're seeing different age group of women, you're seeing more professionals, you're also seeing more from family businesses, and I think India is really starting to acknowledge the strength and power that women bring onto the table and into the management team.
I agree. The one message you want to give out to the whole powerful women out there to come, and we can see in the future, hopefully, more and more women. Maybe this hall be filled with only women. What do you think about that one message?
I think just have faith in yourself. That's the most important. I think sometimes as women we tend to underestimate ourselves. But so just be confident of your decisions and your thoughts. I think that's very important.
Thank you so much for shedding such a beautiful light and being with us on this celebration which we are having today. Thank you so much, Minati. Please enjoy your evening and thank you for being with us. Thank you.